Hi there, hi everyone, welcome today, yes, on a Monday, October the 31st, 2022, last day of the month. We have here in this puzzle page only one regular puzzle. It's a medium Sudoku. In this puzzle page we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2-star Sudoku, the 3-star Sudoku, and the 4-star Sudoku. Then we have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with a 1 star. In Dutch they call it cijferblok. And the last one is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve. And what's the news of today? Well, the news of today, let me show you. Yeah. Oh. Halloween drama. Yes, in Seoul. There are 153 people died in the streets of Seoul. The too crowded in the streets, so young people died there. Too many people in the street, so people collapsed, and a drama, Halloween drama. Yes, not so good news. Anyway, let me go back to my Sudokus. Yeah, Sudoku Medium I will solve, and this will be a number. This will be number. Let me zoom this. Yeah, 5408. 5408. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and a 4-star Sudoku, this will be a 2-star Sudoku. And for 2 stars Sudoku, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. So let's get started. All right. Let me see. Let me scan the puzzle. We have a 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in the second column, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. All right. Okay. Then. Yeah. Let me see. 1, the 9, the 7, the 5. Wow. This one is not easy. I need to scan. 3. Yeah, I'm thinking. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 1. We have a 5 and a 1 in the second row, so no 5 and a 1 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 and a 1 in this column, so no 5 and a 1 in those 2 boxes. 5 and a 1 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and a 1, 5 and a 1. All right. 4, 7, 8. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have a 2 and 8 in this column, so no 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. So what are those 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. Let me mark those two boxes, 6 and the 9. So 5, 1, 7 should be here. Yeah. So we are missing in this column. Here we have 6 and 9. So these three missing numbers should be 5, 1, and the 7 are missing. Yeah, we need a 7 in this column. Well, we have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be here. So the 5 and the 1 are left now in this column. Okay. Yeah. 7, 7. Okay. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is the 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. Here I cannot place a 9 because we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So 1 box left for 9 in this big square should be there. Okay, 5, 9, 6 should be here. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. We have the 5 and the 1 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number, 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have 1 and 5 in this column, so no 1 and 5 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 1, 5 and 1. So what are these 3 missing numbers now in this big square? The 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, 3, 6, 2, 3, 6. That means we have a 2 in one of these 3 boxes in this column. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box should be an 8. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Here we have 5 and a 1. So what are these 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. All right. Okay, 7 and 4 and 6. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 4, the 7, and the 6 are missing. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. So the only place left for the 6 should be there. So the 7 and the 4 are now missing in the second row. 7 and the 4. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. I've eliminated the 4 here, so the 4 should be there. 4 in this third row, 4 in the second row. So first row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in the first row, 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in this first column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see here 7 in the last row, no 7 there. Here 7 in the row above, so no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Then 6, 2, 8, 6, 2, 8. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8, 2, 6, 8. And look, we have 2 and 8 in this column. So no 2 and 8 in this box. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in this column, second column. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this last row for number 6. Alright. Then the 8 in the last column, the 8 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the middle row, so no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay. And now. 9. Okay. Thinking. How about 3. Need a 3 there. Okay. Yeah, I'm thinking 5. 1. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and 4. We have a 1 and 4 in this column, so no 1 and 4 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Right, 2, 3, 6, and 7, 3, 6, 7. Okay, 5, 6, 5, 6, and 7, 5, 6, and 7. Need to think. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Yeah. The 3 in the first column, the 3 in the second column. So third column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2, 3, 6. Well. 2, 8. Need 8. 2, 8. 9. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9. 3 missing numbers in this third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9. And look, we have 2 and 8 in this row, so no 2 and 8 in this box. The 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in the third column for number 9. 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. Well. 1, 4, 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the first column. No 6 there, 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in the second columm. No 8 there. 8 should be, and a 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, and a 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. How about the 8? And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. Then. 2 missing numbers in this second column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So we have a 4 in this row, the 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column. No 4 there, 4 should be there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 in the last column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Can I count with 4s? Yes, and all the 4s are used. I can see this is number 3, number 4. 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. The 1 in the last column. The 1 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. This is number 4. Number 1. Alright. Then 2 missing numbers in this column for the must. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the must. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6 in this column. 6 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. So the 2 and 3 are left now in this big square. The 2 and 3. We have a 3 in this row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for number the 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in the middle row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there, finish in 16 minutes. Told you, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2-star Sudoku. And we solve it again, interesting, this puzzle. Yeah, I like this one, yes. You need to look for the opening, but we solve it again. And I like this one, yes. So we do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again later on with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.